So I'm going to demonstrate how to do auto fitting. So for example, if I type my name is Karen Wong, as you can see, the cell, like my whole entire word, it leaked over. So how I make that fit is when you see the line right over here, just double click on it and then that will just expand it. And as you can see, it all fits all into one cell. It's not leaking over to B, C, and D. So I'll show that again. So let me just bring it back over to here. As you can see, that one, my name is Karen Wong, leaked over onto B. So just double click on it and it will fit. Hope that helps, and have a great day.